Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Wix AI Website Builder in 2024. Of course, the Wix AI Builder makes it incredible easy to build a professional website tailored to your needs in just some few minutes. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to understand how to start using the Wix AI Website Builder. Make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and log in into an account if you have one or create an account if you don't. To do so, go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can also whatever you want. Go to the URL section, of course, go to wix.com right away, and you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So click on login as we said if you have an account, and if you don't, click on get started. As you can see, for login, you can use Google, Facebook, Apple account, and for sign up, you can use a Google or Facebook account if you have one of them, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of filling up informations and basically, which is going to be boring. So once you do so, basically you'll find yourself here in the dashboard or sites. As you can see here, I have multiple sites. So first, we would like to show you how to use a Wix AI website builder. So we'll need to create a website using just AI, right? So what we'll need to do, of course, is start with going to create a new site at the top right corner. And as you can see, once you do so, here you'll have to choose the type of website that you want to create. So as you can see, once you do so, you'll find Studio Templates, Studio Blank Canvas, Studio Templates Marketplace, use Wix Editor, and use your own templates. So where can I find the AI Wix to create a new account? Or sorry, to create a new website using AI. Of course, if you go as an example to this left panel, click on Discover as example, here again, you will find create a new site with the same options. If you scroll down, it's going to be all the same. So if you go to sites, custom templates here, as example, so create template is going to be the same stuff, custom apps as example in here, so client experiences, you can see nothing like that, and also here, and also here. So what should we do? Of course, all you need to do, go and open a new tab and just type AI Wix. Just all you need to do. Here, as you can see, you'll find this top option. Click on that, and as you can see here, you'll find create with AI. Click on that, and of course, if you already logged in into your Wix account, as we said before, you'll be logged in also here. So as you can see, they will take you to this Wix AI. So bring your ideas to life with AI. Tell us what your site needs and goals, and then get a tailored made website with all the tools you need to go live faster. So click on Start Chat. So as you can see in here, hey, let's get started with your site setup. First, what do you want to call your site? As an example, for me, I'll just name it Omics. As an example, Omics Games. Why not? Hit the enter button. As you can see, so all I need to do is just interact with this AI, and it will create a site for me. So, example, create a great choice. Can you tell me more about Omics Games? So it's example. It's gonna be a website. So it's gonna be like a website. Okay, let me just write correctly. So it's going to be a website to add or to publish my gaming clips, as simple as that, and hit the enter button. Simple. Of course, for you, you don't have to do the same as me. You'll have to answer your own question, depending on whatever website you want to create. For example, sounds exciting. What type of games are you focusing on? As example, for me, I'll just choose here League of Legends, maybe, and Valorant. As example, why not? And as you can see, so just wait as example. So a great choice. Do you have any additional goals for your site, just as building a community or selling merchandise? As example, just okay, just as example, building community, building a community. Why not? And hit the enter button. As simple as that. So just wait as an example for the AI until it's answered us. And here, as you can see, you are all set. Based on what you shared, we'll generate a site for you with a personalized layouts for your business, custom colors and fonts to reflect your brand, ready to publish content for your site. So you can just go to dashboard or generate sites. For me, I'll just go here and click on generate site so they can generate the site right away for me. So all I need to do now is just hold tight and wait. Relax a little bit, and they will create everything for you. Yeah, as simple as that. As you can see, you can, of course, once they create it, you can see how it's going to look like on the desktop preview and even in the mobile preview. Why? Because the mobile, of course, like here, everything will be good for mobile, not so desktop. But if something is not like correctly looking, something like that, you'll be able to edit it later on. Keep that in mind. So as you can see, site's brief based on your site profile or mixed games, your gaming community site will have a site structure, which includes one page. Its content will be generated based on your site description, your site theme, feature, modern fonts, and bold example extra design in shade of blue and black. Its layout includes many text components and only few images. So you can, as example, this is going to be my site. If I didn't like it, I can also just go and click on regenerate sites from the beginning. Or I can click on this option, which is make it a little different. I can just go and click on that. As an example, they will just let or keep the same site, but they will make some just few changes, maybe because I didn't like it. As you can see, based on your site profile, it's going to be the same things example. So yeah, they changed it here as example with more things included. Yeah, so if I like that, all I need to do, I'll just go here and click on continue with this design. So now what I'll need to do is simply give your site more professional look with a branded domain name. So make sure to go and get like a domain name that's good for you. As example, maybe omixgames.com, it's good. But if you don't have a domain yet, you can simply just go and click on continue to the editor all the way, or set up your business if you want to. That's up to you. So once you click on that, they will take you basically here to the Wix editor, so you can start editing more about the website that is all created by AI. You can make all the necessary changes that you want, and you should be good to go. Of course, you make sure to review your site and edit your site however you want, and make sure to even optimize it for mobile if it's not optimized for mobile yet, because it will increase your SEO ranking, which is very important if you're trying to build a community and if you're trying to reach more other people. As you can see, this is my site. So now I can make all the changes from the text, images, colors, everything I want to change, I'll be able to. I can even go to this list panel and use this AI tools, which will help me create some text, like section generators, create text for a page. This AI tool will help me a lot through a lot of things. So it's up to you now to do whatever you want. Once you finish, just go here and click on preview and preview your site, how it's looking like. If everything is working in your site, if everything is working as intended, all you need to do, just go and hit the publish button at the top right corner as an example. And as you can see, it will be published right away. Of course, you can always edit your mobile sites as well, because it will increase your SEO ranking, and because a lot of people are visiting sites just from their mobile. Of course, you can always go and hover this publish sites and click on publish sites whenever you want. And as you said, make sure to view it in the mobile, how does it look like, and optimize for mobile as well. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.